Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to create a low competition content writing gig on Fiverr. So let's start. First of all, go to the Fiverr and search for the main keyword content writing. You will see very high competition around 1000 of gigs. This means you should have not used this main keyword directly. Now go to the keyword search website like keyword.io and select the Fiverr option. Set the location to United States and enter US seed keyword. For example, content writer. Click on the search and you will get many related keywords. Now copy these keywords one by one and check them on Fiverr. Our goal is to find keyword with less than 2000 competition. For example, when you search content writer Pakistan, the competition dropped to around 1000 to 1200, and you can also see sellers getting orders. This means the keyword is working and has demand. Now use this keyword in your gig title. For example, I will be content writer Pakistan and write SEO content within 24 hours. After that, select the category writing and translation, then article and blog post. Choose your service type, blog topic, tone, and content type according to your skills. Next, add positive keyword. For this, search your main keyword on Fiverr and use a keyword extension like Fiverr Quick View. Copy the top keyword used by ranked gigs and such as blog post, article writing, website content, and content writer and post them into the positive keyword section. Now click and save continue. Next come pricing. Open 4 to 5 top gigs and check their pricing. If the minimum price is $5, keep your basic package at $5 but offer more value. For example, basic 700 words, standard 1600 words, premium 3000 words. Set your delivery time slightly faster than competitors to get order quickly. Now move to the description section. Copy a gig title and go to an AI tool like bard.ai. Paste your title, add your keywords and generate an SEO friendly description. Copy the description, paste it into the Fiverr and do small edits to make it clean and professional. After that, add questions like the gig image and upload it into your gig. That's it. Your professional content writing gig is now ready and optimized for ranking. Hope you like the video. If you like, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So see you in the next video.